Today we are going to walk on a warm, sandy beach. As we picture the beach in our minds first, the sand is white and soft. The sun is warm, kissing our skin, glittering across the water. The water is clear and yet blue. You are walking slowly, feeling the cool sand beneath your toes. You feel the breeze as it moves off the water, and you smell the ocean. As you walk along the edge of the water, you notice a beautiful shell in front of you. You stop and look at it. You kneel to pick it up. You hold it in your hands and you turn it, and it glistens in the sun, with the sand sparkling in your hands. You lift it to your ear, and you can hear the sound of the ocean speaking to you. The sun above is shining so warm, reminding you that you are loved, you are safe, you are enough. As you stand there, holding the shell, looking out of the beautiful ocean, you take a deep breath in. I am enough. A deep breath out. I am loved. As you continue to breathe in and breathe out, you feel the air move through your body. You feel yourself relax into the sand. You breathe in and out like the waves on the shore. Your toes relax. You're in a calming, safe place. The beach will always be your place to return, where you are safe, you are here, you are mindful, and you are loved.